Hello, I'm Bob Gessner, President of Massillon Cable TV and Clear Picture. Welcome to this special analog-only version of WBOB. If you can see this program, you are watching an analog cable TV channel. As you should know by now, all analog TV channels on Massillon Cable TV and the Clear Picture systems will be eliminated in the very near future. We're running this program continuously on analog cable channel 22. We are also showing it continuously on analog channels for a few days as they are being eliminated. It is very important that you act now if you plan to continue using the analog TV set you are now watching. All television sets must either have a built-in QAM tuner or be connected to a digital converter in order to keep receiving cable TV signals. Now, I'll explain these options shortly. The need for a QAM tuner, or digital converter, is part of our digital TV, or DTV, rollout. This is a very large and innovative program to keep Massillon Cable TV and Clear Picture at the forefront of broadband companies in this nation. The most common question people ask about the DTV rollout is why we're doing this. It's a little complicated, but I'll try to explain. You don't know it yet, but your next TV set will almost certainly be a high-definition TV set. That's pretty easy to assume because there really is no other type of TV set available to purchase. The only thing you will find in a store is a high-definition television. We know from our experience that people want to see everything in high definition once they purchase a high-definition set. The only way we can meet this expectation is by adding lots of HD channels now. But at the same time, people expect to keep using their current analog TV sets until they purchase that HD TV. So we're in this catch-22. We need to meet the expectation for lots of high-definition channels, and for that we need to make some space, called spectrum, on the cable system. Well, the only way to gain that spectrum is to eliminate analog channels. But people with analog TV sets expect to keep using them. So, how can we serve both the immediate need of our analog TV owners and the future expectations of high-definition TV viewers? And there's only one way: equip analog TV sets with digital converters. This will allow us to eliminate the analog channels and launch lots of new high-definition signals while still enabling analog TV viewers to use their analog TV sets. Basically, digital converters are the bridge between the analog signals of today and the all-digital future. As analog TV sets stop working, they will be replaced by digital high-definition sets, and will be ready with the HD programming you expect when that happens. You may be seeing this program on one TV set in your home, but not on another. You might wonder how that's possible. Well, it depends on the type of TV set and how it is equipped. This program does not appear on TV sets already equipped with digital converters. Nothing needs to be done to these TV sets. They are already receiving digital channels. Similarly, this program does not appear on TV sets with built-in QAM tuners. Now, some people are confused about their QAM tuner TV sets, and they often watch analog signals instead of higher quality digital signals. If you're in doubt about this, please check your owner's manual. If your newer TV set has a QAM tuner, please follow the instructions for using the QAM tuner instead of the NTSC, or analog tuner. This program only appears on analog TV sets. These TV sets need a digital converter. Now, a number of different converter options are available. The most popular is the new Minimax converter. This is a simple converter designed to deliver digital, basic cable TV channels to an analog TV set. We're providing up to 3 Minimax converters free of any charge to every customer. It includes a universal remote and an on-screen program guide, plus access to more channels. You can order Minimax converters over the phone and install them all by yourself because they are shipped free of charge to your home. The first free Minimax converters are free, and additional Minimax converters are available for only $2 a month each. Now, of course, other advanced digital converters are available. These converters include a more advanced interactive program guide, digital music, and access to on-demand, pay-per-view, and other premium program services. And there are two types of advanced digital converters. There are standard definition converters designed to be used with analog TV sets. We also have high definition converters designed for use with high definition TV sets. These provide even more advanced interactive program guides, high definition program networks, and digital video recorder functions. I'll tell you more about this a little later. Different types of converters have a different monthly cost and have different features designed for different needs. But no matter what type of converter you choose, they will provide all the basic cable TV channels. So please, if you are watching this program on an analog TV set, do something now. There are 3 ways to learn more about the DTV rollout and digital converters. The first, visit the website. We developed the website specifically for the DTV rollout. It is www.dtvrollout.com. There you will find information about all converter types, free Minimax converters, free shipping, and self-installation options. The second option is to call the DTV Rollout Center. This special group of phone agents is specially trained to answer questions about the DTV rollout. Just call 1-877-212-3322. Or finally, visit our offices. The offices are open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday, and from 9 a.m. to noon on Saturday. You can pick up more information or converters when you visit. But regardless of how you receive information, please do it now before some of your basic cable channels disappear as the DTV rollout progresses. Now, many of you already have Minimax converters in your homes, but haven't connected them to your TV set yet. Now, it's very important that you take the time and connect them now. All analog basic cable channels will be eliminated. All channels will be digital, and there is no reason to delay. All basic cable channels are found on all digital converters right now. Waiting only runs the risk of not being ready when changes take place. Plus, there are some new channels available on digital converters you can watch, and the on-screen guide is very helpful in finding what you want to watch. Installing a Minimax converter is very simple. Here's a short video to help you understand how it's done.
Step 1. Disconnect RF cable from the back of your TV. Step 2. Take cable and connect it to the antenna input on your new Minimax. Step 3. Use the additional RF cable that came with your new Minimax and connect one end to your antenna output of the Minimax and the other end to the antenna input of your TV. Step 4. On the back of the Minimax, set the channel switch to channel 4. Step 5. Turn on your TV. Step 6. Plug the power supply into a wall plug, then into the back of the Minimax. Step 7. The Minimax will immediately start to perform a channel software upload. It will scan for all the channels you can receive. This operation will take up to 5 minutes. Do not stop this scanning process. You will notice the channel menu will start to fill in. When the progress bar gets to 100%, a please wait sign will appear. When the scanning operation is complete, the menu will go away. The Minimax and TV are ready for you to use.